To get a free trial of TradingView, start by going to the official TradingView website or downloading the app. Then click sign up and create an account using your email. So you can see right here, there's a sign up button and there's a $0 sign up for that. And then after that, once log in, head to the pricing section and choose any paid plan like Pro, Pro Plus, or Premium. Then select free trial. You'll be asked to add a payment method, but you won't be charged if you cancel before the trial ends. Take note that it only has 30 days, so make sure to cancel your trial before the end of those days. After confirming, your free trial activates instantly and you'll get full access to premium features like advanced indicators, multiple charts, and alerts. Just make sure to send a reminder to cancel if you don't want the plan to continue.